from BC, Canada, and today we are at Robertson?
Roberts Creek.
Robert or Robertson?
Roberts Creek.
We are here today at Roberts Creek,
Picnic ground.
and this is in Langdale or Gibsons.
Sunshine
This
Coast.
whole place is also known as the Sunshine Coast.
The
I think
island.
we are somewhere in Langdale or Gibsons. Anyway, just want to show you guys how this place looks like, and I'll give you a full view of it.
There's some white sand there. Over there, there's some white sand.
Beautiful. This is my dear wife Gina. Say hi. Oh, Gina, your shades
Good, I didn't step on it.
came off the frame.
I have to hold it.
I'm gonna delete this. I don't like it.
Look at this. Look at the seaweeds. Nice.
Hello, good afternoon, guys. Once again, this is Brother Alvin from BC, Canada. We are here today at Roberts Creek.
Roberts Creek picnic ground. I'm crossing up. I'm up here in this big rock. Oh, look at this. These are baby mussels. Baby mussels. These are baby. They will grow and grow big and big. These are food for the birds. Look. Amazing. These are scary. Lots of mussels.
If you're enjoying my channel, if you haven't subscribed, I would ask you to please my channel by subscribing.
These are mussels. There are lots. Baby mussels
Interested in how
growing in the
British
rocks.
Columbia, Canada looks like? Well,
And the
we are on the west
seaweeds
coast, so we
stick
have
on
islands
the
here, and
rocks.
we have BC ferries for, bringing people, to any island you want to go. We have the Gulf Islands, Vancouver Island. We have a lot of smaller islands here, smaller ferries, bigger ferries. One popular spot here is Texada Island, where you can get a lot of oysters. But then you have to take 3 ferry rides to get there. So this is my wife Gina making her own vlog.
Just
So it's about a
dogs.
cloudy day here. This morning it was raining, and in between the day sometimes we get a little break. There's no sun, but at least it's not raining. But I heard it's going to rain again tonight. So beautiful. A lot of people are moving in this area to retire or to buy their vacation homes. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this video, and again, please do subscribe if you like the content. I have my own channel, Alvin Rodriguez Evangelist, and I usually make Bible messages video with nature in the background. They basically a lot of grass around this line here.
Oh, another seaweed. It's green.
Sheila, I'm going to the sand.
White sand. We're walking in the rocks. Stepping on the big rock. Going to the white sand. White sand beach. Let's go to the white sand beach. So we're in the sandy part of the beach. It's a good place for kids to play. Wow. Bring your shovel.
What do you call the weeds, honey?
Seaweeds. These are seaweeds, hon. Look. Oh, there's a lot. Oh, these are seaweeds. Niluluto namin yan noon with the bangus. With the adobong bangus. Bats. Bawal naman kumuha nito.
Don't step on the seaweed.
Yeah.
Weeds are slippery.
We're not allowed to bring those
When you
to.
step on the
We're not allowed to.
skip free.
Daddy, did you notice those black ones? Those are baby mussels.
Really?
Yeah. Look, food for the birds.
When you step on the gray side of the rock, it's really
Look, they're growing here. They're getting bigger. These are bigger mussels now.
on the rock.
These are food for the birds. Oh, there's a lot here. Wow. Wow. Oh, Daddy.
What?
Starfish.
Starfish? It's dead. It's probably dead now.
No, it's moving.
Is it moving?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah,
It's
that's a
alive.
Starfish.
It's alive, honey.
Is it alive?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
It's alive, look. Hindi naman siya dry eh.
Okay, we're not gonna hurt it
No,
because
no,
we're not allowed to hurt.
We're not allowed to take it either.
You don't mess, you don't step on it, you don't kill it because
It's purple.
those species are protected.
Wow, but the
There's,
bird's gonna eat them, Dad.
I've seen warning signs on the road on the way here to report poachers and illegal hunters. So, you know, this if this is alive, then that means it's only waiting for the high tide, right?
Yeah, it's gonna go back to the ocean.
It's gonna.
It's alive.
Yeah,
It's
maybe,
alive.
yeah.
It's moving.
Is it moving?
Yeah, no.
Okay, there you go. It's a starfish.
Starfish.
Okay, make sure you don't step on it. So, I hope you enjoyed this little video, short video, little presentation of this beautiful place. God bless you. See you in the next one. Okay, I'm done. That's an